Hey guys, it's the Minecraft modder, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Left 4K Dead source code by Notch. So the first thing you need is an internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and you're going to go to google.com, and in the search bar you're going to type in Left 4K Dead source code. Sorry about those caps. Now once that loads, you'll see the source code for Mojang is right here. Now once you click this, it'll start the single file download that's needed to open up the source code for this game. So I'm going to click that, and it'll download and install the file to your downloads folder. I'm going to click the arrow, and I'm going to go to Show in Finder. So this will go to my downloads folder just really quickly. So I'm going to drag and drop this onto my desktop, and I guess I already have a version of it, but I'll replace it. So now the file is right here on my desktop, and now what you're going to need is you're going to need a program called Eclipse. Now you can type that into Google and you'll get eclipse.org, and you will go to downloads, and you're going to want to download the version that works for you. Now I usually download this one here, and instead of me downloading Mac, if you were on Windows you would download your version of Windows or Linux or Mac or whatever you're using. So once you have that downloaded, you can run it and open it, but it takes like a minute and a half to load, so I already have mine loaded. So then what you would do is you'd go to right-click on Project Explorer, and you'll go to New and Project, and then you'll choose a Java project, and then you'll give it whatever name you want. You could type in Left 4K Dead or whatever you wanted, and then you would click Finish. But I'm going to use one that I already created called YouTube Tutorials. So it'll come like this, and you'll hit the minus arrow next to it, and you'll see the source code here. You're going to want to right-click on Default Packages or Source Code. I think yours only comes with source code. And you're going to go to Import. From Import, you're going to click on General, and then you're going to click on File System. You're going to click Next, and then from Directory, you're going to go to the area that you have your file right now. And since mine is on the desktop, I'm just going to click Open on the desktop, and then I'm going to click the file g.java, the file that we downloaded, right? And now it's going to go into the source folder, and we're going to click Finish. Now this will install the version, this will import our file. Oh, geez. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. So again, File, System, Next, from Directory, Browse. We're going to choose Desktop, then we're going to choose our file and click Finish. And now we have our file here, and we can double-click that and it'll open it. So it says comment-free, yay, source code for Left 4K Dead by Marcus Pearson. And it has all of this code that we're able to change and run. So once you've edited a little bit of code, or you just want to see if it works by running it, you can go up here to this Run button, and you click this, and it'll start the application. And Left 4K Dead with Eclipse runs a little bit weird. It runs in this small box, but you have to make it big like this, and it still doesn't work. So you're like, oh no, what do I do? You click on Applet at the top, and you click Clone once it's big sized. And then you can close the old one, and it'll load up the new one in its normal size. And then you have the official game running. Look at that. So this has been a tutorial on how to download and change and run the source code for Left 4K Dead. If you guys want to see any tutorials on how to write hacks for this game or how to implement different codes for this game, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'd be happy to show you how. Alright guys, see you later.